Hello mga madam and sir, bago ako magsisimula, gusto ko lang i-flex yung mga items sa gustong mag-avail or interesado sa mga spell jars. Ayan, message lang po kayo sa Facebook page, Bono Magos. And meron din sa Shopee namin, Bono Magos. Kaya Bono Magos Shopee and Bono Magos Facebook page. Ayan, mag-message lang kayo doon. May mga spell jars ako if interesado kayo mga business success. Spell jar, money, magnet oil, ayan, ano pa, love and relationship repair jar, justice spell jar, and magtanong lang kayo. All-in-one powerful bracelet, and anti-kulam, I think sold out na. Basta, lahat ng mga items, okay, magtanong kayo. Sa Facebook page, Bono Magos, may mga albums doon. Makikita niyo yung mga feedbacks doon ng mga items. Ayan, if interesado kayo. So, again, thank you so much for listening. Hello! Welcome back po dito sa Bono Magos, dating Angel Pancho PH Tarot. Capricorn, Sun, Rising, and Venus placements, mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayo? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in this video, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ninyo sa taong 2024. Capricorn, Sun, Rising, and Venus signs. Ayan, pasensya na po if maingay yung aso ko sa background. Ayan. Okay. Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Kapalaran 2024. Spirit Guides and Angels. Kapalaran 2024. Okay, you have the Knight of Cups, January. February, you have the Two of Swords. March, you have the Chariot. Okay, the bottom of this deck. Overall energy for the year 2024, you have the Hangman. Ayan. Okay, so nakikita ko dito, Capricorn, okay, your whole year is the Hangman energy. The Hangman energy is siya yung chill lang, and bago siya gagawa ng desisyon, pinag-iisipan niya mabuti. Okay? Tinitignan niya sa lahat ng anggulo yung sitwasyon. Pasensya na talaga if maingay yung aso ko. Wait lang po. Ayan, so, tinitignan niya sa lahat ng anggulo. So, I think this year, makokontrol mo yung sitwasyon sa pamamagitan ng pagmamasid muna, no? Bago ka kikilos, pagmasdan mo muna. Tignan mo sa sa iba't ibang anggulo yung mga sitwasyon sa buhay mo. And of course, this is also an advice for some of you. You cannot control. Okay, you cannot control some people in your life, their feelings, their emotions, their reactions. Okay, we cannot control people's opinion. We cannot control people's thoughts, their opinion about us, their feelings. Ayan. The only thing that you can control is your own thoughts, own emotion, own. Okay? Ayan, so January 2024, you have the Knight of Cups. Mukhang, I feel like a lot of you Capricorn, you may be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio this month. And mukhang yung iba sa inyo may mangliligaw. Okay, may mapupusuan, love is in the air. January 2024, mukhang very romantic ang buwan ninyo. Okay? February 2024, you have the Two of Swords. It looks like meron kang pinag-iisipang desisyon na I think it has something to do with this person. Kasi, di ba, you have the Knight of Cups. Okay, nakatagpo ka ng manliligaw. If hindi naman to manliligaw, you're very creative this month. Meron kang umpisahan. Okay, you're very, very sweet this month. Makikita ng mga buong tao na napaka-sweet and romantic mong person pala. Okay, mapagbigay ka. Okay, mapagmahal. Very caring. And When it comes to your passion, when it comes to your business, mukhang very ano ka sa ano mo, sa trabaho mo, very caring ka. Okay, you have this, you love your job. Okay, yung iba sa yung makakatagpo ng talagang mafe-feel mo na love ko tong trabaho na to. I love this job. I love my work. Okay, February 2024, you have the two swords. Mukhang meron kang pag-iisipang, yun nga, desisyon. For some of you, relasyon to. Okay, relasyon, kung hindi naman relasyon sa isang sitwasyon, aalis ba ako or hindi. Now, you have the Chariot card around March 2024. This is a card of success. Okay, this is a card of victory. Okay, you are going to achieve something big here around March. You are victorious. Okay, and yung iba sa inyo may pagta-travel na nakikita ko. Yun nga, parang February, mukhang nahirapan kang mag-decide kung aalis ka. Like, aalis ba ako papuntang bansa? Aalis ba ako sa trabaho na to? Okay, iiwanan ko ba to? Or mag-stay ba ako? Parang ganun. And then, March, mukhang yun na nga, nakapag-decide ka na. Yung iba sa inyo, a lot of you magta-travel. May pupuntahan, ayan, okay? But overall, this card is about victory and success. You will succeed in whatever choice you are going to make. Kung anumang choice ang pipiliin mo, you will succeed, Capricorn. April, you have the Five of Swords. May, you have the Emperor. And June, you have the Ten of Cups. Mukhang ang ganda-ganda ng June. Okay, April. Mukhang may argument na mangyayari sa work, sa trabaho, sa kapamilya, sa relationship. Ayan, around this month. So, ingat. Ingat this month. Iwasan makipag-argumento kasi baka mamaya, ang ending kasi nito, hindi kasi magandang Five of Swords. Andun yung conflict, may pag-aaway, argument, debate, and then, ang ending, magsisisi ka. You regret. Kung ano man yung nabitawang mong salita, ayan, baka pagsisihan mo. So, ingat. Now, in May, you have the Emperor. This Emperor talks about leadership. Maybe you are a strong leader or mukhang mailalabas mo yung talent mo dito. Pagiging isang leader, ayan, you are going to step up. Alam mo yun, yung iba sa inyo uupo sa trono. Or maybe, if ikaw naman ay babae, makakatagpo ka ng isang emperor. Emperor leader siya. Okay? Ano siya? Madami siyang na-achieve sa buhay. Mayaman. Syempre, emperor. May pag-aari. Ayan. Maybe CEO. Maybe boss nyo to. Ayan. Definitely, the emperor is someone who is going to protect you as well. Very protective of you. Very caring. Minsan, may pagka-estricto. Very significant or prominent siya this month around May. Now, June, you have the Ten of Cups. Mukhang masayang-masaya ang buong pamilya mo, Capricorn. Lahat, malusog, mga anak mo. Masayang-masaya this month, June. Mukhang may pagtitipon akong nakikita. May gatherings, may lahat masaya. Okay? Mafe-feel mo yung saya sa buong pamilya mo. Lahat makaka-benefits. Okay? Ayan, lahat makaka-benefits sa saya. July, you have the Eight of Cups. August, you have the Five of Pentacles. September, you have the Seven of Swords. Oh my goodness. So, ayan, Eight of Cups. July, mukhang merong hindi nag-work. May aalis. You feel makakaroon ka ng discontentment. May iiwan, may feeling mo around this month. Parang iniwanan ka ng buong mundo. Iba sa inyo mag-ingat in August kasi mukhang magkakasakit. Okay, makakasakit if hindi naman mabankrupt. So, ingat around this month sa mga negosyo, sa dealings, especially around September. Okay, so September you have the Seven of Swords. iwas sa mga scammers, sa mga manloloko. If ikaw ay mag-i-invest sa isang business or ayun nga, mag-invest ka, mamigay ka ng pera, try to get more information. Okay? Mag-ingat, mag-ingat, mag-ingat in September. In August, ayan, ingatan niyo ang kalusugan and ayan, iba sa inyo makakaranas ng loneliness. If not loneliness, being left out. Okay? Iwasan kasi mukhang mababankrupt kayo. Now again, in July, may hindi magwo-work sa relationship, parang feeling mo incomplete ka. Okay, madi-disappoint, iba sa inyo, magkakaroon ng disappointment sa work, sa relationship. Okay? Parang ganun. Alright, I'm sorry. October, you have, the Ten of Swords. October, September, you have the Magician. October, November, you have the Magician. December, you have the Empress. Oh my God. Alam mo, the Empress is a card of abundance. A card of prosperity. O diba, kahit in the middle of the year, andun yung mga pagsubok, andun yung mga bighati, andun yung mga hindi hindi magandang mga hindi natin maiwasan yan sa buhay. Andyan yung mga problema. But the good news is, bago magtatapos ang year 2024, o diba, ang saya. Ang saya naman. The Empress is a card of abundance, prosperity, and generosity, femininity, and creativity. Yung iba sa inyo, if nag-expect kayo na mabuntis, ay mabubuntis kayo around this month, December. There's a chance. Oh my goodness, I love the Magician card because in November, Capricorn, there's nothing you can't do. Okay? Matutupad yung mga manifestation ninyo. Kung ano man yung minamanifest ninyo, mangyayari around November. Now, in October, you feel betrayed. Parang, you feel down. Pero you know what the good thing is? After this October, November, look at that. Bumangon ka. Makakaahon ka. So, di problema yung Ten of Swords kasi andyan yung na Magician, Pagkatapos kang tinaksilan, iniwanan, tinaydor, or whatever, nagkaroon ng problema na talagang bagsak na bagsak ka, maybe sa negosyo, bagsak na bagsak ka, pinagtutulungan ka, na-depress ka, nakabangon ka agad in November, babangon ka agad in November. Ayan, sabihin mo sa sarili mo, kaya ko to. Ayan, di ba? Kaya ko to. You have all the tools. The universe is with you. You can do it. Okay? Like I said, that's the advice with the Hangman. This year, try to get more information about any situation. Balik-balikan nyo to Capricorn para maging guide nyo month by month. Okay? Capricorn, Sun, Rising, and Venus signs, I hope nagustuhan ninyo ang reading ninyo. Let me know in the comments, no? If I were you, I claim this energy and disclaim all the but anyways, hindi natin maiwasan yung mga bad things kasi nandyan yan. At least gabay, nagkaroon kayo ng gabay, o diba, at least alam nyo ang gagawin ninyo. So Capricorn, Sun, Rising, please don't forget to like this video and comment, I claim this reading. Okay, huwag kayo mahiya mag-comment sa baba. And if you are new, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe. By the way, Capricorn, okay, sa mga interesadong makareceive ng mga items ko, follow me on Facebook page, Bono Magos, kasi every weekend mamimigay ako. Abangan nyo yung live ko para wala kayong ma-miss mga jewelries and anything. Alright? So, I'll see you guys next time. God bless, more power, and ingat po kayo lagi. Paalam!